It's officially wedding season, and my house is turning into a Mehndi party zone. Hi LBB, I'm Akanksha, a content creator and a home decor enthusiast. So my cousin Mehndi function is happening right here at my home. So I thought, why not to give this space a full makeover? I'm styling the entire setup using stunning pieces from India Circus because they have got great quality and great design. So grab a cup of chai and come along with me as I transform this home into a beautiful celebration. To start off, I'm going to remove existing decor to have a clean slate. Now that we are starting with a clean slate, it's a perfect moment to create something memorable for my cousin. She always loved coral and green, and we always wanted something more than our usual Mehndi green kit, which is more meaningful and full of character. So we decided to go for a boho chic decors from Cherish X. Now come here, a very special bench in front of the setup. It's her seat where all the laughter memories will unfold. Now we are going to place these beautiful cushions over here to create a cozy floor sitting. Now laying down this stunning carpet over here. The print looks so gorgeous that it instantly adds that cozy touch to the celebration. Now it's time to style a sofa, for which I have chosen printed and embroidered cushion covers from India Circus, which goes perfectly with the Mehndi theme. The walls were looking bit plain, so I am adding these vibrant wall plates and candles over here, which instantly brings this backdrop come alive. I've placed the side table along with my sofa. Now here comes this magazine holder, which is not filled with magazine but flower because it makes a beautiful decor piece. And lastly, food display, because what's an Indian wedding celebration without a flavor? To start with, I'm going to place this table runner. Now comes yum food. So our Mehndi function setup is finally ready, and I can't imagine how beautifully everything turned out. A huge shout out to India Circus for their stunning pieces that brought this whole setup to life. Their products are truly crafted with love and proudly made in India. I hope you got some inspiration on how to create a Mehndi setup at home. So if you love this transformation, kindly like, share and subscribe. For more inspo and home related content, do check out www.lbb.in.